Hi Ma, happy Feb 21st. Happy baby shower day. Wala akong gift. Well, this is my gift for you. Wish may God always be with you. Especially sa 27 or whenever His will na makapag-anak ka. And, sana huwag kang tawa ng tawa ngayon, baka hikain ka. Huwag ka din kakain ng madami, especially sweets. Hi. I miss you. I wanna be there. I really wanna be there. Ano? Kay Baby Aldrich, or Baby Alex, or Baby Alessia, whoever you are. To my sister or brother, hindi ka pa lumalabas, masakit ka na sa katawan, masakit ka na sa ulo. Niisip ka namin parate. Be safe, okay? I'm excited to see you and hug you and hold you in my arms. Huh, Ma, I'll see you on April 26. Padalhan pala ako ng white dress. I need that. What else? Yung video, wala kasi sila matri, so kami lang ni Imar nakagawa. How are you? Pagdating mo dito, mag-drive tayo ulit ha, tapos pumunta tayo sa Jollibee. Tapos, kantahin mo ulit yung kinakanta mo sa akin, yung bida, ang sarap ng Jollibee. Yung, walang ibang may alam nito, ikaw lang. So, kanta mo ulit sa akin. Description ng childhood. Yung, gusto kong pumunta sa buwan, pero rocket ship palili pa rin. Gusto kong pumunta sa buwan, ayokong tumira dyan. Gusto ko ring mag-under the sea, kikilala ang mga fish. Gusto kong mag-under the sea, pero ako ay uuwi rin. Pag pumunta ako doon, mamimiss ko sila. Si Mami at Daddy, Jollibee at Kuya. Marami ng lugar na gusto kong puntahan, pero gusto ko sa piling nila. I really wanna be there. And, ano ba? Emotionally, physically, I really do. But I'm okay. I'm starting to get better. Thank you for all the prayers. And I will see you soon. You be okay because I'm trying to be okay. Okay? So, have a safe, easy pregnancy and labor kung magle-labor and operation kung mag-operation. I will always pray for you and think of you. I will always dream of you. I miss you so much. Okay? I love you so much. Naiyak ako kasi dami kong gago. But I'm okay. I love you, Ma. I miss you. I miss your hug. I love you. Bye-bye.